Right, the Ransome Super 4 and a TS59, it might be a 49, I think it might be a TS59, 3-fur Ransome's plough. I sound a little out of breath, it's because I've just run across the field. I'm not that fit. Still trying to set the plough up at the moment. Colin hasn't used this plough so much, so he's not quite so up on it. The first time we've used the county as well for ploughing, so it might not be match ploughing. Also apologise for the quality and the jerking around. I'm using my camera phone. I'm also not David Attenborough, so it's a lovely day after a really wet harvest. Still ploughing up, quite damp. What we the 21st of September 2008. It's smoking a little bit. There's not a breath of wind. Soil's sort of heavy, sort of clay, but a nice loam. Quite a nice soil. It's a bit wet at the moment. Oh, there's a bit of a stiff spot. Oh no. Well, back to high first. Was pulling it in high second. Oh. Quite amazing, I think these little tractors are 58 horsepower, I think. I'll have to double check with JMO. But not doing too bad of a job. Not too bad. It's not match ploughing, but nevertheless, it's not too bad.